I've logged into the Azure DevOps portal with my main instructor account. You can see my initials in the upper right, and if I hover over that, you can see I'm logged in as Walt Richer. So I need to create a project for one of my organizations. So let's look at my organizations. Look on the left side. There are 4 organizations over there. Some of these are from prior courses I've created. I just created a new one called Learning-DevOps-211 for this course, with 211 being the last 3 digits of the course number. Now, when I choose this organization, I can see that there are no projects, so I'm prompted in the portal to create a project. So let's talk about the differences between organizations, projects, and teams. This flexible system helps map the DevOps services to your business structure. For small companies, one organization, one team, and a single project might be sufficient. For large corporations, more thought is required. Your admins and architects will find the best approach. So let's create our first project. Add a description. Next, I choose the visibility, whether I want it public or private. I'll make mine private. Now, if I click the Create Project button, it'll create it with some defaults that are defined within the organization. And I can see those defaults by clicking on Advanced. There's 2 items to choose from here: version control and work item process. I'll talk more about the work items and what the processes are in the Azure Boards chapter. So I get to pick the version control. I can choose Git or Team Foundation version control. And I can choose from one of these 4 work items. I'm choosing the defaults, so I'll leave them as is and then click Create Project. Now I see the welcome screen. There's nothing in here because it's a brand new project. So it's asking me where I would like to start working. Do I want to work with boards, repos, pipelines, test plans, artifacts? Now, most of these are empty. The only thing that was created in this project was some templates for work items. That's under boards. You don't see it here because I don't have any boards yet. And there is a skeleton structure for repos. So if I click here, I can see that my first project is empty. So I do have some endpoints on the internet for my cloud-based Git repository, but there's no files in the repository yet. Now, for us to work with some samples during the course, it's helpful to have some boards, some repos, some pipelines, and so on. So rather than having to create those all ourselves, we can use a demo generator to create those